to YouTube friends, and today we're going to review and test the Shark Rocket Zero M Technology Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner. So this vacuum cleaner has a purple one, it's like color from All Engines Go, and it has yellow brush stroke, which is a Zero M technology, which is removed all the hairs. Instead of wrapping around the roller, it'll goes into the bin. So I have to put the bin right here. So let's make sure the cord moves away for this rug. And let's snap it here. So now let's recline this handle. And I'll hold this cord like this. And now I'm going to clean this rug in a hard floor to make sure hair's all picked up instead of wrapping around the brush roll. So don't worry, I'll put the music on. And remember, warning, flashing lights in this video. Anyways, here we go. Now, as you can see, it picks up a hand so it doesn't wrap around the brush roll. It was a pretty good technology of Zero M. So, let's just disconnect here, and then I'll put it right here. So let's just pick up one hand and stuck in this one and see what we can do. Now, as you can see, it did pick up a hair. It was a pretty fabulous vacuum cleaner machine. So let's move to the back room to pick up any more vacuum cleaner some hair. Alright, so we're in the back room. So let's see if we can get any of the hidden hair with the LED lights in the nozzle when it's all dark. Okay, so as you could see, it did pick up a hidden hair on the dog with the LED lights. It was a pretty fabulous vacuum cleaner. So, just like Nunag International, it will pick some dirt and dust anywhere. It was a pretty good machine. So let's try a little bit more, see what I can do. Now, we are on the floor setting. It was very easy to pick up a hidden hair when it's dark. So let's try a little bit more. It picks up a more hidden hair when it's all dark. So, let's check the brush stroke here. Once again, you can see here, it doesn't wrap around the brush stroke. This is clear. It was a pretty great machine. Okay, so this one comes with a dirt removable for easy empty. So now, I'm just gonna dump this out and look at what comes out. Whoa! Was that amazing? It picked up so much dirt and hair. That was like amazing. So, thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleaner videos, then let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next vacuum cleaner videos. And if you want to get this vacuum cleaner, then go to sharkclean.com for more information. So, if you'll excuse me, I got some cleaning to do.